federal law enforcement surge in D.C. Glad you're with us. I'm Adam Longo.
And I'm Adriana Hopkins. A new order by D.C. Mayor Muriel Bowser will keep federal officers on patrol in D.C. longer than originally planned. But we're also learning this morning the National Guard could be sticking around longer, too.
Yeah, 7 News is on your side with team coverage of these developments. John Gonzalez is live breaking down the mayor's new order and the changes that she wants made.
But let's start with John Rogers at the alert desk. And John, we're hearing the troops already here in D.C. could be here for several more months.
Yeah, they absolutely could. It's for an interesting reason. So we are learning that National Guard troops in D.C. could have their military orders extended through December. A senior official says this extension is actually intended to ensure the continuity of benefits for these service members and their families. You see, Guard members typically do not qualify for military benefits unless they're on active orders for more than 30 days. As we've been told, this was only expected to last 30 days. So it's unclear how long the mission will go on. The extension has not yet been finalized. The White House would not confirm the expected extension when asked for comments. We'll let you know what happens.
Mayor Bowser's order extending President Trump's federal crime crackdown. The order is expanding the city's role in all of this.
Yeah, so 7 News' John Gonzalez is live for us at the Wilson Building with what this means for public safety and the homeless.
Adriana, good morning. Yeah, the mayor making it very clear this new order is about safety and accountability. It will keep federal agents on the ground here in D.C., but she wants to see some changes with how they patrol the streets. She says they must identify themselves, must carry badges, ID, must be able to show those badges, and she doesn't want to see these federal agents with their faces covered. Now, take a look. The order creates a new safe and beautiful emergency operations center as well to coordinate with federal agencies from the FBI and Secret Service to the U.S. Park Police. It also prioritizes using the D.C. National Guard for specific missions. The mayor being very blunt yesterday, saying she doesn't feel that part of the operation has been effective. The same order pushes for continued clearing of homeless encampments. City leaders say about 80 people have recently moved into shelters over the past couple of weeks, but advocates warn resources are already stretched thin. Representative Jamie Raskin is pushing back, introducing a resolution to terminate this federal surge, but House Republicans defend the actions.
The purpose of this resolution is to say, one, there's no emergency. If there was an emergency, it was a public relations crisis around the Epstein file.
President Trump has rightfully exercised his authority to restore law and order here over the last few weeks. And what a tremendous job our federal law enforcement officers have done for this city. This is what happens when you have leadership that actually cares about public safety.
Now here at City Hall, the mayor says the new emergency center will also focus on public safety, housing, and economic recovery while continuing to work side by side with these federal agencies. The question now is, how long will this partnership last? Reporting live, John Gonzalez, 7 News.